To begin this mindfulness practice, find a comfortable position. You can sit, lie down, or choose any posture where your body feels relaxed and stable. Once you feel settled, gently close your eyes in your own time. With your eyes closed, turn your attention inward. Notice your body, its weight, and the contact with the surface beneath you. Feel the temperature of the environment and the touch of the air on your skin. Observe any other sensations present. How does it feel to be in your body right now? There is no right or wrong. Just observe and accept each sensation as it is now. Welcome everything that arises without judgment. If thoughts, emotions, or other sensations appear, simply acknowledge their presence without trying to change or push them away. Treat yourself with kindness, accepting each moment as part of the process. Just be present now. Direct your attention to your breath. Notice the air flowing in and out. Observe how it fills your lungs and how your body moves with each inhalation and exhalation. Where do you feel your breath most clearly? In your nose, throat, chest, or belly? Just observe without trying to change anything. Let your breath follow its natural rhythm. As you maintain this focus on your breath and body, expand your awareness to the environment around you. Feel the air surrounding you, the sounds nearby or in the distance, the energy of the space you are in. Just perceive everything as it is without needing to change anything. If your mind wanders, simply notice it and gently bring your focus back without judgment. You are here now, and that is enough. Gradually, bring your attention back to your body. Notice the sensations. Slowly move your shoulders, wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling each movement. Take a deep breath once more, absorbing this sense of calm and presence. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes and return to your day, carrying this awareness and tranquility with you. Congratulations on dedicating this time to yourself. May your day continue with lightness and serenity.